All right, guys, 2017 Mustang GT350 Shelby. Beautiful, finished in beautiful gray with black stripes and white inlays. Sorry, guys, I'm under the weather a little bit, but it's okay. It's nice and sunny outside. I'll clear up. Check it out. I like how they put Shelby right there. They've been growing on me, man, these. I'm not a Ford guy, but they have been growing on me. It's a beautiful car. I like how it's set up. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. Factory converter, factory flex pipes. Then, like we showed you guys, that X pipe that he bought, he paid like $150 for it, he said. We didn't have too much trouble putting it in, but it is a little bit on the small side. I don't like it. I would have ran 3-inch or 2.5 at least, but it's okay. To each their own. Anyways, here's the X pipe. And that's where the resonators were. We took them out. Then 3-inch pipe continues into the 2 mufflers there, and they got the active exhaust. And then they got the tips built into the bumper, as you guys can see, there and there. So you don't get to change the tips. They just stay the same. And then one of them has a valve. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's cool how that comes with the body kit and everything. So it's clean. That's where we cut it off. So there's the 2 resonators and the other X pipe. And you can see how much they bring it down. You have to take this heat shield off that's on the original pipe. It goes right there. You have to take that off for it to fit the new X pipe. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Guys, we got a 2024. You know what the badge means? Need I say it? Dark Horse Ford Mustang. Beautiful. I love the blue on it too. I usually see them in black. I haven't seen a blue one. It's one of my favorite colors. That's a good looking car right there. I like it. Got the Brembo brakes on it too. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got factory converters there and there. Then we took out the resonator that comes on these, and he bought a Roush X pipe to go in the place of the resonators, cut them, cut and weld basically, or clamp. But we always tack the clamps. I'll show you guys where we tack them. But there's the X pipe in its place right there, and then it gets tacked right here. We always tack them there so they don't come loose or anything like that. We tighten them pretty good, but just in case. So there it is. That's the X pipe right there. It's a Roush X pipe. I'll get you guys the part number in a second, hopefully. And then it goes out the back, and it's got a valved exhaust on the muffler. There's one muffler. There's the other muffler. And the valves, I don't know if you guys can see them. Yeah, they're up there. See it? That's a valve mechanism on one side. You can see it in the pipe. There's a valve in there. This side doesn't have the valve. This one does. So when the valve opens, it becomes straight pipe. When the valve closes, it goes through the muffler. Cool design. All the new manufacturers are going to that to be able to stay legal and open it up when they want. There's the sign for the Dark Horse again. And he's a veteran. We really appreciate his service. There's the resonator that was on it that we cut off right there. Dual in, dual out. And then here's the part number on the Roush. I think they got it blocked off. Anyways, there it is. Something 15 to 23 Mustang X pipe by Revs. See it? So we'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it. That's the box. All right, here it is. Stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. I like the louvers on it too. Check out the huge screen, guys. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. It just keeps going and going and going. That's awesome. Here it is. Really nice. All blacked out. It's got suede too right here in this inserts in the middle. Very nice. Very nice. Anyways, there it is. Stay tuned. I like how they accented the Dark Horse badges too in blue to match up with the car. That's awesome. And over here, Dark Horse in the stripes and the hood louvers. I'm going to show you guys the engine because you know what? Why not? Whew. Oh, somebody forgot a glove in here. I don't know why, but okay. See, we always find little toys and it's always giving. That's a 5.0 Dark Horse. Look at that. Wow. That's a presentation, man. Imagine it had the cold air intake on it. Ooh, on each side comes off like that. That would look so sick. I like it. There it is if you guys wondered. That's with valves closed, guys. They open for a second, but they close back up. So this is idle. Try this again. So it's right at, it was like 67 earlier. So about 70, we'll say. Go ahead and give it gas. Still not bad. A little bit throatier. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Oh, now you see with it now, it hit 100. It was like 87 or 97, something like that. Again. That's a nice. Yeah. Go ahead and open it up. This is now with the valves open with an X pipe. Much better. Look at the smile on his face. You like it? Much better. Hit 115. So this is idle now with valves open. It's still pretty quiet, a little bit throatier. And then give it gas. at 115, guys. That's awesome. Again. Perfect. All right, go ahead and back it up. That's with valves open, guys. Outside. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our phone number if you want to get a hold of us. Wow, that sounds phenomenal, guys. That's just an ultimate beast. That's valve closed now. Nice car. All right, let you guys hear on the inside. So this is quiet mode, guys. And the Dark Horse. Give a guess. Very quiet. Here's sound decibels on startup. Right at 76. See, it's quiet. It's got nothing on it. I like that. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 93, 94. That's with valves closed, X-pipe installed. So now he's going to open the valves. Go ahead. Put it in sport mode or track. And right away you can see a difference. Here's idle. It's a little bit quiet, 72, 73. Then when he revs it, it's going to change completely. Go ahead. That's a lot better. Right at 107. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 108. So it's probably louder than that even. Yeah, that sounds phenomenal. What do you guys think? That's got a lot to it. I like it. It sounds good. Go ahead and back it out. Sexy Dark Horse. Finished off in blue. You know, it would have been even nicer if it was like a little bit darker blue to match with the Dark Horse name. It's like a smoke blue. That'd be so cool. Imagine it like a dark blue. Sick. That's valves open. Yeah, that's valves open, guys. Again. Yeah, it sounds phenomenal. I like it. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Go ahead and close the valves. This is with it closed now, guys. Go ahead. You can see it's really quiet now. Just crazy. All right, I'm gonna let you guys hear on the inside. So it looks white, but it's actually gray, guys. The camera makes it look like it's white. We just installed a new X-pipe on it. Sounds good. That's really good. I like it. Enjoy, guys. Sexy dark horse. Ready to leave. Less than 1,000 miles on it, I think he said. I'm not sure. Barely broke in. There it goes. Very nice. Enjoy, guys.